The Lakeville area continues to grow, and that growth is something many of us see every day. Lakeville itself is a thriving, popular community recently named the fastest growing suburb in Minnesota. Over the past decade, nearly 9,000 new homes, townhomes, and apartments have been built across the Lakeville area. During that same time, student enrollment increased by more than 1,200 students. The growth is visible. It's not always as visible to the public as how this rapid growth is impacting our schools, especially at the middle school level. Since 2018, with the support of our community, we added space at the elementary level to accommodate enrollment growth. Those elementary students are now moving into our middle schools. All three middle schools, Century, Kenwood Trail, and McGuire, are already crowded. And middle school enrollment is projected to grow by more than 8% over the next 5 years, adding approximately 250 additional students, which is equal to 8 new classrooms. As enrollment increases, space becomes more limited, classrooms become crowded, common areas become congested, and schedules become more complex. These conditions strain learning environments, student support services, and overall school climate, and this will continue without additional space. This is why the district has placed a bond referendum on the May 12th ballot for additions and renovations to all 3 middle schools. The proposed plan is designed to alleviate the capacity strain on current students and teachers and make room for the students who are on their way. This plan will create functional spaces that support learning for all middle school students, regardless of the school they attend. Improvements include making classrooms bigger, adding flexible learning areas, updating specialized spaces for art, music, FAQs, and STEM, special education, and gymnasium additions to support physical education and activities. The plan would also include expanding cafeterias, kitchens, and other common spaces. The estimated tax impact is approximately $14 per month on a $500,000 home. Strong schools are a cornerstone of strong communities. As our community continues to grow, our schools must keep pace to maintain the quality education our community values. We encourage residents to visit our website for more information. Early voting begins March 27th, and Election Day is May 12th.